Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Okay, good morning everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, did you understand yesterday's class?
Yes, sir.
What did we learn yesterday? The formulas of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Okay, let us recapture once again. What is sin theta formula? Opposite sin to theta by hypotenuse. What is the formula of cos theta? Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. What is the formula of tan theta? Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Okay, next class, anyone, do you have any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your doubt? Okay, fine. Let us see the doubt now first. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at C. BC plus CA equal to 23 centimeter and BC minus CA equal to 7 centimeter. Then find sin A and tan A. Okay, let us write here what is given. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at C. So here is right angle. Now we can write either A here or here. If you write here A, then here B will come. For example, if you write here A, then B will come here. Clear? Now the question is that BC plus CA is equal to 23 centimeter and BC minus CA is equal to 7 centimeter. Then what to find here? To find sin A and then tan A. Tan A, right? These are the questions. Is it tan B?
Yes.
So it is sin A and tan B. Okay. Now, here you see sum of the sides BC plus CA is given and BC minus CA, the difference of the sides also given. So let us see here how to solve this. Sin A and tan B, let us keep aside. Here I am writing, we want sin A and then tan B. Now let us take this as equation number 1 and it as equation number 2. First we are going to solve it. Here CA is having plus symbol, here minus symbol. So on adding, so add them. On adding plus CA minus CA, they get cancelled. So you tell me BC plus BC, how many times? 2 times BC is equal to 23 plus 7 is 30 centimeter. Clear? So here then BC is 30 by 2. 30 by 2 is 15 centimeter. So here you can write in place of BC, let us write here 15 centimeter. Clear? Now for sin A, opposite side to theta means opposite side to A by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is also required. That means here AB is required. Along with that AC is also required. Clear? Substitute BC value in any one of the equations. Either you can select first equation or second equation. Clear? I am substituting BC in equation 1. Then here what will I get? BC means here 15 plus CA, I am writing CA as it is equal to 23 centimeter. Let us send 15 that side. So CA is equal to 23 minus 15 is 8. So CA is 8 centimeter. CA is 8 centimeter. If we know these two sides, can we find AB or not?
Yes,
by applying what theorem?
Pythagoras.
So by Pythagoras theorem, we can write, let us apply Pythagoras theorem here. The square of the hypotenuse. Here what is the hypotenuse? AB. So here AB square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Means BC square plus CA square. BC square plus CA square. You can say it in AC square also, it's not a problem. So let us substitute the values. BC square is how much? 15 square. CA square is 8 square. 15 square value 225. 8 square is 64. On adding, you will get 289. This is nothing but 17 square. So here AB square is 17 square. So AB is equal to 17 centimeter. So here we get AB also. That is 17 centimeter. Now let us write the values what are required. See, sin A. Here you do understand. Just imagine that you are standing at A. If you stand at A, what is the opposite side? BC. BC value how much? 15. So 15 by hypotenuse is 17. This is what we can find sin A. Is it clear? And tan B. Tan B. Now here you just change the angle from A to B. You just imagine that you are standing at B. You are standing at B means you are there at B. So here tan B formula, opposite side to theta means to B by adjacent side to B. For B, what is opposite side? AC. For B, what is adjacent side? BC. So here AC by BC means here 8 by 15. Okay, this is how we can solve this problem. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any other doubt?
Yes, sir. I have one doubt.
Okay. Right. Let us see here. Sin x equal to 4 by 3 does exist for some value of angle x. Let us see here. Given sin x is equal to 4 by 3, is it possible for any angle x? This is the question. Let us see. Actually here what is sin theta formula? Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Right. So here if you take any triangle, for example here I am taking a triangle ABC where right angle at B. Here you do understand that what is angle B here? 90 degrees. Then how much angle will be shared by both A and C? You think once again, out of, actually here, what is the sum of the three angles?
180.
In which angle B has taken 90. Then how much angle will be shared by A and C?
45.
90 can be shared. It may be 45. It is not absolutely they will share equally. It may be 60-30 or 30-60, 45-45, 50-40, but the sum should be 90. That means here you need to understand that 90 degrees will be shared by these two, whereas 90 degrees alone it is taken by B. Now here clearly you can tell me which angle is larger, angle A, angle B or angle C, which is larger?
Angle B.
Angle B is larger because in out of 180, 90 plus 90 if you divide, so this 90 is alone is taken by B, whereas it is shared by A and C. That means clearly here angle B is the larger. As you know, the side opposite to the larger angle is the longest side. I repeat, the side opposite to the larger angle is the longest side. Is the longest side. Means here what is the longest side?
AC.
So hypotenuse or AC is the longest side. When we compare with hypotenuse to opposite side or any other sides, this is the longest one. Means it should be the higher value, larger value. Is it clear? Here you compare, opposite side is 4. Here it is given that opposite side is 4, hypotenuse is 3. Whereas it should be the larger value. Are you understand clearly?
Yes, sir.
Whereas in sin theta, as hypotenuse is in the denominator, in these two, it should be the large or larger, whereas it should be the smaller. So the fraction should be small by big, small by big. Is it clear? So here we got big by small. That's why this kind of, for sin x, 4 by 3 means this kind of value does not exist for any value of the x. For any angle, sin x will never become bigger value by smaller value. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, any doubt?
Yes, sir. I have it.
Okay. Right. The value of sin A and cos A is always less than 1. Why? Here the question is that the value of sin A and cos A, these values are always less than 1. What is the reason? Here you see, what is the formula of sin A? Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. And moreover, here, okay, let us see cos A also. What is the formula of cos A? This is sin A, this is cos A. Cos A is adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Okay. In a right angle triangle, we can take here ABC as a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Now, out of AB, BC and CA, which is the longest side? AC is the longest side. So here when you compare with, for example, here if you take sin A, it is right. So here we can take, this is the angle. For A, opposite side is BC. This is opposite side. And this is hypotenuse, whereas it will be adjacent side. Now here clearly you observe opposite side by hypotenuse. That means here, as it is the longest one, it is BC by AC. Clearly in these two, which is smaller? BC is smaller. So opposite side is smaller. So you are getting small value, smaller by, I am getting small. Hypotenuse is big or longer one. So small by big. Small value by big value. Same way, here also, here you see, you compare adjacent and hypotenuse. Here adjacent value is AB. That is also small value. When you compare with hypotenuse, hypotenuse is bigger value. If you get any fraction, small value by big value, small value by big value, that value is always less than 1. Here I would like to take a small example to tell you. For example, here if I take this value as 3, this value as 4, let us apply Pythagoras theorem. What is 3 square? 9 plus 4 square?
16.
9 plus 16?
25.
Root 25 is? 5. So root 25 is 5. So it is 5. Now you see, apply sin A, 4 by 5. It is 4 by 5. Here I am writing sin A is 4 by 5. Now what is cos A?
3 by 5.
3 by 5. Cos A is 3 by 5. Let us simplify this one now. So it is 0 point. It is 48. It is here 0 point. 3 becomes 30. 5 6 are 30. These values 0.8. Is it less than 1 or not?
Yes, sir.
Cos A 0.6. Is it less than 1 or not?
Yes, sir.
Why do we get here this small by big? Small by big. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So here always sin A and cos A, these are always less than 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any other doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ask now.
Tan A is a product of tan and A.
Okay, let us see here. The doubt is that is tan A a product of tan and A. Tan and A. Let us see here how far it is true. Actually here you do understand that sin theta, next cos theta, tan theta, like that here cosecant theta, secant theta, these all will be upcoming for you. Till now we did not enter. So these 6 are called trigonometric ratios. Here this theta indicates angle. Without theta, if you say only sine, it does not have any meaning. Whenever if someone says sine, you have to wait for the value of the theta. Theta is nothing but the angle here. Is it clear? So if we say sine 0, it has a value 0. Sine 30, it has a value 1 by 2. Same way, let us come back to here tan A. The present question is tan A. A has some value, whereas without A, there is no meaning of tan. Is it clear? Tan A means it is the angle of tangent angle of A. What is the meaning of tan A? Tangent angle of A. That means we are finding for tan angle of this particular value. For example, here in place of A is 0, then tan 0 is 0. Suppose if you write here 30, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. If you write here 45, tan 45 is 1. If you write here 60, tan 60 is root 3. Same here 90, tan 90 is equal to infinity, are not defined. Other than this, so many values are there. Not only even these are there, especially in your syllabus, but here other than that, so many values are there. So here you do not think that tan A is simply tan into A. That is wrong. Is it clear? When do we say product? If individually if they have the values, then we can multiply them. Here A has value, but tan has no value without A. That's why here, is tan A product of tan and A? This answer is no. This is not tan into A. It's a single value, it has a value. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel Respect Education, and please press the bell button to get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.